The 360 camera market just got a major shakeup. GoPro has finally answered its fans with the GoPro Max 2, while DJI, a heavyweight in drones and action cams, steps into the 360 ring with the Osmo 360. Both cameras promise immersive 360 degrees footage, creative shooting modes, and rugged portability, but they differ in key ways. One boasts true 8K video. The other emphasizes massive sensors and intuitive software. So, which one deserves your attention? Let's break it down. At first glance, these cameras share a similar vibe. Compact square builds with dual lens protruding from either side. Both sport a stealthy dark gray finish and are built to handle rough conditions, but their design philosophies diverge from there. The GoPro Max 2 feels like a quintessential GoPro, solid, dependable, and ready for action. It's waterproof to 5 meters without a case with a dive housing planned for deeper dives and supports 3 mounting options. GoPro's classic fingers, a tripod thread, and a new magnetic latch. This versatility makes it a go-to for mounting on helmets, bikes, or boards. The standout feature, user-replaceable lenses. Scratch a lens, and you can swap it out without tools or a trip to the repair shop. A game changer for high-stakes shoots. The DJI Osmo 360 leans toward a sleeker, more refined aesthetic. It's IP68 rated, technically waterproof to 10 meters, and able to handle freezing temperatures. But DJI oddly cautions against underwater use due to potential stitching issues. Unlike the GoPro, its lenses aren't swappable, though optional protectors and DJI's Care Refresh plan offers some peace of mind. It's slightly more pocketable, but less modular than the Max 2. Video quality is where these cameras flex their muscles. The GoPro Max 2 claims the crown for true 8K 360 video at 30 frames per second with no upscaling tricks. It also offers 5.6K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 100 frames per second for smooth slow-motion shots with 10-bit color and GP log for grading. It delivers vibrant action-ready footage. However, it falters in low light, lacking a dedicated night mode and producing noisy results after sunset. Overheating is another concern. Extended 8K recording indoors can trigger a shutdown, though it performs better outdoors. The DJI Osmo 360 pushes the envelope with 8K at 50 frames per second, 5K at 60 frames per second, and 4K at 120 frames per second, plus 10-bit color and DLOGM for flexible grading. Its footage is crisp with excellent stabilization and seamless selfie stick removal, though colors can feel slightly oversaturated. The Osmo Super Night mode gives it a clearer edge in low light, producing cleaner, brighter footage in dim conditions. For photos, the GoPro Max 2 captures 29 megapixel 360 images. Decent for casual use, but not exceptional. With some tweaks in the Quick app, they're shareable, but photos aren't the camera's strong suit. DJI's Osmo 360, however, delivers a whopping 120 megapixel 360 stills, offering far more detail for cropping or reframing. If you're into 360 photography for social media or creative projects, the Osmo is the clear frontrunner. The GoPro Max 2 features 6 microphones for solid directional audio, but wind noise remains an issue. It supports wireless input via AirPods or other Bluetooth earbuds, which is handy, but lacks a dedicated GoPro-branded wireless mic system. DJI's Osmo 360 has 4 microphones that perform adequately in calm conditions. Its real strength is compatibility with DJI's Mic 2 and Mic Mini, which deliver pro-level audio synced directly to the camera, a major advantage for creators prioritizing sound. Editing 360 footage can be daunting, but both cameras aim to simplify the process. The GoPro Max 2 integrates with the Quick app for mobile editing and sharing, plus the updated GoPro Player for desktop. Quick offers intuitive keyframing, AI tracking, and quick social media exports. The desktop software supports keyframing, but not AI tracking yet, with Adobe Premiere and DaVinci Resolve plugins in development for pro users. The DJI Osmo 360 pairs with the Mimo app for basic editing, previews, and updates, and includes an AI auto editor tailored for action-packed daylight clips. For advanced work, DJI Studio's desktop app provides keyframing, AI tracking, filters, and exports. It feels modern and user-friendly, giving GoPro software a run for its money, though GoPro's ecosystem benefits from its longer history and upcoming pro integrations. With DJI's Osmo 360 lasting about 90 minutes at 8K compared to the GoPro's roughly 60 minutes, DJI's removable battery shared across Osmo products supports fast PD charging, while GoPro's proprietary battery is swappable, but unique to the Max 2. Storage sets them apart. The Osmo 360 includes 128 GB of built-in storage, letting you shoot immediately. The Max 2 relies on microSD cards, offering flexibility, but requiring an extra purchase if you don't have a card. The GoPro Max 2 and DJI Osmo 360 are both stellar 360 cameras capable of producing jaw-dropping footage that once required complex rigs and software. If you need a rugged, adaptable camera for extreme environments, think mountain biking or surfing, the GoPro Max 2's swappable lenses, versatile mounts, and proven app ecosystem make it a top pick. Its true 8K video and built-in GPS are great for daylight adventures. For low-light shooting, built-in storage, and superior audio, the DJI Osmo 360 stands out. Its Super Night mode, high-res stills, and DJI Mi compatibility make it ideal for creators who want polished results without breaking the bank. Which one's for you? It depends on your priorities, durability and flexibility, or low-light prowess and affordability. Either way, you're getting a powerful tool for capturing the world in 360 degrees.